Yeah. Yeah. Good fucking morning, boys. How we doing, man? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I think Lou's at... Nah, I don't know where Lou is, boys. He just ain't answering me, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on with him. I'm assuming he's dead. My quicker... I don't jump to conclusions, but... I think he's gone. I think he's gone. Right, let me get a link sent in, boys. How the fuck are we doing? Morning, boys. Morning, morning, morning. So, annoyingly, we've not really seen DXY do a thing today. We've not seen it do... haven't seen it do a thing. So, I'm not really looking at GU and EU yet today. EG's already had our move. It's mainly sort of GJ and EJ we're kind of looking at today. The annoying thing is with GJ, EJ though, is just where we're at. We are not in the greatest bit in terms of PA by any means. Let me just jump on TikTok, boys. But let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me know and send charts into the chat. Well, we've actually already had a TP today, which was the EG, which was a perfect DTO trade. Textbook. Especially with the market bias as well. Definitely stronger with the pound than we are with the euro. That consensus still sits. I think we got some dovishness out of the ECB, which is causing a little bit more weakness. Oh yeah, let's go live on TikTok. But start of the day doesn't look insane for EUGU, that's for sure. So I think yen pairs will be great. Again, EG sort of already had our movement for the day, so I'm not really looking for anything more on EG. So realistically, I think the only trades we can really look for this London session would start to be those. I mean, again, I really want to start seeing the selling of GJ and EJ. I would say obviously EJ would be better to short, just off the case that the pound's obviously blatantly stronger than the euro. So selling EJ would be way better. But then again, we're buying the yen. The market has moved to more risk off. We've seen that with the stronger dollar. And we should really start seeing that with the stronger yen. We've seen it with the stronger Swiss franc. We've seen the sell-off of gold, which should really come back to our safe haven currency sort of market, where we're going to see dollar strong, yen strong, somewhat strong. Obviously, the yen's going through an intervention, so I would still expect it to be somewhat strong. And then we've got, we've obviously got the quiet. I mean, the yen's annoying, but yeah, it's a bit more of a stronger Swiss franc. But the yen is kind of annoying. It is in that space right now. But boys, we still have that 10k account. Yes, it's down about 3%. Down about 3%. But the last trade that we had on ADUSD was this one here, which did actually TP, but we are 3% down on the account. So let's see if we can pass this 10k. Again, we're in phase 2. But we are in a little bit of drawdown, which again is no fucking problem, boys. What about gold? Stay away from gold, boys. Stay the fuck away from it. Just stay away from it. There's no point in getting into gold. Again, the main reasons why is we're in this area again. And we had this in like October last year. We're the exact same thing, right? Where we're probably going to see price make a floor and then start trickling back up and probably break the high and continue. Probably. It's exactly what we had back in October. I remember we had that massive sell-off. If I go back to October time, which was, is this October? Yeah, October. We had the same sort of thing. Obviously, we had price sort of top out, but then we floored. We did come again, have a secondary move, and we floored. And then we obviously just continued up, and from there we just continued up and continued and broke that high, which is exactly what we wanted to see. Which is probably exactly what we're going to see now, sorry. Which is fucking perfect. But we're going to see what trades we can get for this London session, boys. See if we can get at least back to break even for the start of the week, which would be fabulous. Again, I think main positions I'll be looking for is like EJ shorts. We have definitely come to fill some stuff to the left, which is perfect. We've got EJ filling that. Again, I think best case for yen trades would be EJ. I think staying away from GJ is key because the strong pound, potential strong yen, is just going to make it very hard, very rangy, which is sort of what we got with DXY right now. I honestly can still see EG go as well. We still have really high point in EG, and that pound is still weighing massively over the euro. Massively. Right, boys, how we doing, man? Who's in here? Jed, what's good, brother? Pascal was fucking good. Still Kata was good. Ralph, what we saying, bro? Mem, Dan, Tommy, Surgical. Fletch, what's good, brother? Warhol, what's good, man? You looking at GJ as well? MH, what's good, brother? Brippy, what's happening? Josh, what's good, man? Sanko, what's good? Shin, what's good? MS, Sam, Bilal, what we saying, boys? Good fucking morning. Brand new week, boys. Brand new month. I'm excited for it. Again, it is February, so we do have an Oh, actually, do we? Okay, but no, we've got a massive week in terms of rates. So we've got obviously ECB looking to hold rates Thursday, and we've also got the Bank of England holding rates Thursday, which, to be honest, keeps us in more. And I think the ECB is more in sort of, I don't think we're either dovish or hawkish. I think we are just very static at our rates of 375. The only real reason why we're keeping them is because of the tick up of inflation. So we're holding rates pretty much across the board. We're looking at a few pairs. Honestly, you just want to start seeing shorts for EJ, which we've actually started to have this trade through, which is really nice. Where's our 50? 50's there. We only really need we only really need that to sort of get back to breaks. Which, bear in mind, I feel like today's plan with that phase 2 challenge is that we just get to break evens. But as for EJ's long for me, up at least 505, 4 hour range. I still honestly want to see yen come up. I still honestly want to see it start coming up. And I think this is where we're going to start seeing it. Bear in mind, really what I'm looking at on the yen is that massive trade through that we've actually had to the upside, which is giving that strong yen. Which is exactly why we want to start seeing price push to the upside. Again, boys, if you're on TikTok, come join on YouTube. It's just way easier to see the full chart and actually see what I'm explaining. I think that would be best case. I'll lose back. You know what? Lou's gonna jump on, mainly because I've got bare shit to do, boys. I'm gonna let Lou jump on. But I'll be on for New York, boys. We'll see what Lou can do with his 10k account.